please stop doing what you hate and start doing what you like. Stop doing the things that you love and enjoy every single day. That's what they've been saying all along, right? That's what everyone has been saying. Start doing what you love and stop doing what you hate. Especially when you have a choice, right? Especially when you have a choice, right? So this message, right, goes out for the ones who wants to make money online, and then you guys have been trying all of the different online business models. Maybe you guys have been doing things such as like drop shipping, right? The typical ones, drop shipping, what have you, SMMA, right? Copywriting. What's the other ones? I don't know, man. Faces, automation, YouTube, print on demand. Using Etsy, that's one of the websites. Other business models such as like TikTok creativity program. Yeah, all this kind of stuff. All this kind of stuff. If you guys try all of those methods, right, and if you guys like don't see any success, right, or maybe if you guys see success, if you guys see money rolling in, good for you guys, right? Good for you guys. But if you guys don't like what you do, if you guys are making money and you guys are enjoying what you do, right, carry on. Please carry on, right? If you guys are earning money doing what you love and enjoy, perfect scenario. Not everyone is as lucky as you guys, right? Because everyone would love to do what they love and enjoy every single day for a living. And especially if you're happy doing it, perfect scenario. Carry on. Carry on doing it. No matter what kind of business model it is, as long as you are earning money from it, you're earning good money from it for your standards, right? Because everybody's expectation is going to be different. If it's working well for you, carry on doing it. But for the ones who are not enjoying what they're doing, not enjoying what they're doing is one thing. Another thing is you're not earning money from it as well. That's another thing. That's another bigger issue, right? So, I feel you guys, man. I feel it. I feel you guys. I understand. I understand it all. I didn't really earn a lot when it comes to those online business models, like I've mentioned. I've earned some, right? But I just didn't like what I'm doing. I didn't know what I'm doing. Selling all those stuff, finding the products, finding the winning product, right? It was a chore for me. I'll be honest. I didn't really like the entire process. I thought I liked it. I actually thought I liked it. I actually thought it was fun. Like at the start, right? At the beginning it was fun, obviously, right? Because it's like you're trying something new. It's like you're chasing the new thing. And then you see some success. You're happy with it. You are motivated to carry on doing it. And then you see more success as well, right? Along the way. You start to make more sales. You start to see your hard work being paid off, right? It's good, right? It's very good. But after a few months, close to a year, I started to realize that it's rather meaningless doing all those kind of stuff. Like I thought about the future, like am I gonna be doing this forever and ever? Finding the next winning product over and over again? That's the thing. I just felt like it wasn't a long-term sustainable business model for me. For me personally. I just didn't think that I would be able to do it forever and ever. I understand that some people actually do it for quite long period of time. And they see like big success from it. They actually like it. They actually like it and enjoy it, right? Good for them, right? Like I said, good for them. But what I'm trying to say is, if you don't like what you do, there's always other options for you guys to try as well. There's always other ways for you guys to make money online as well, right? You guys don't have to force yourself to be doing one thing, especially when you don't like it. Okay? So, what's the solution? What is the solution? I've been talking about it for so long, right? Talking about the problem. You guys understand. You guys feel it. I understand as well, right? What's the solution? What can we do? What can we do then? What is the other business model that we can actually do it forever and ever? Forever. Which one? I'm going to tell you, right? I'm going to tell you. It's going to be something, right, that you can do forever and ever, especially when it comes to doing what you love and enjoy. On a daily basis, things such as like, that's part of you. If it's part of your passion, part of your hobbies, if it's a skill that you have, you can monetize all of them. You don't really have to chase all of the other online business models anymore. You don't have to. You can start monetizing whatever it is that you have in your heads. Whatever skills that you have, obviously chances are, if you're watching this right now, right, you have a job, you have an employer. Your employer is obviously employing you because you have a skill. Because you have a skill, that's why he's employing you. Right? Makes sense. There's a cap to it because you're being paid a salary, and it's going to take quite some time for you to actually, increase your pay because there's a cap to it. right? If you guys don't want a cap, you guys want to earn limitless money instead of a salary, right? You guys can use the internet. Straight up, just utilize the internet. Use the internet, monetize your skill online, market your skills, market your passion, market your hobbies, whatever it is online. Okay, talk about it on YouTube, talk about it on X, right? Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all those good stuff. Start making content about your skill, your passion, your hobbies, whatever it is that you can see yourself doing it forever and ever. Basically, just sharing those things that I've mentioned online and then sell those information as well. Sell it, teach it to other people as well. Because chances are, right, you're not the only one who is interested in that particular hobby of yours. And if you're good at it, right, you can teach other people as well. And you don't have to be an expert. That's the best part. That's the best part. Another example that I'll give you guys is that, for example, if you just started in weightlifting, right, in your whole fitness journey, you wouldn't go to the top level competitor like the Mr. Olympia, right? You wouldn't go to them to ask them to actually train you because they are like way ahead of you already. That's not going to be the best decision. What the better decision would be to go ahead and ask someone who is just like a few steps ahead of you. For example, the Mr. Olympia, right, is the bodybuilding of Olympics. For example, for them, it's a level 100, right? And then if you are at level 1, you can always just find someone who is like at the level 10 when it comes to the fitness journey side of things. You can learn better from that person as well. And that person can teach you better as well because you guys are closer to each other. That gap is not that big. You guys are basically just closing the gap together. So he's going to be able to bring you from level 1, level 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to his level as well. It's the best thing, right? It makes the most sense. So what I'm trying to say is that you guys can start making money online doing all of this stuff. Alright, so if this sounds good to you, okay, if this sounds nice and all, you guys can click the first link below. I have a free course for you guys as to how you guys can start this, I guess, online business model, right? Or this new way of life, this new career of yours, this new job, if you may. It's not even a job, right? Because if you're doing what you love every single day, you're not really working, right? That's the best scenario. That's the best thing. So if you guys want more information about this thing that I'm talking about, right, click the first link below and I'll see you guys inside.